So take your paint and make like thin lines down your piece, wherever you want them to be. Then scrape off the excess. And then just pull down the paint like that. And this is supposed to be kind of messy looking. It's not going to be perfect. So don't worry about that. Then you're going to take your next color and you're going to do it again. And then you keep layering it until you have your desired look. Example of several layers. I did brown and then I layered orange and yellow and green, and you just keep pulling the paint through until you get how you like it. Some of the girls did just orange and yellow and white. Some did gray and taupe and brown. So it really just depends on what you like. Lastly, let's say you don't like how it looks at all and you're like, oh no, I've ruined my pumpkin. It's okay because you have paint. So I just would dip my paint in here and I would just use my sponge. And that's how we use the sponge, by the way. We just dab, 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 dab. And I would just cover it back up. And I would start over. I can just cover it back up if I don't like it. And then I can start again. This is just supposed to be fun. It's a fun project. It's not supposed to be perfect. So the more fun you have with it and the less carefree, the more you'll like it. So enjoy. And if you have any questions, just reach out and I'd be happy to do a video chat with you. Thanks.